Don't panic.
Bigay ko na
sa dalawa yun.
Yan na.
Ready.
Okay, ready. Okay, Tin. Bigay mo sa baba. Touch. Okay, ready? Ready, Tin?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ito madali lang.
Kuya. Kuya, that's my fault.
One more time. 1, 2, 3, go.
When you're ready,
1, 2, 3.
Kuya.
Hindi. Touch mo kasi. Isa mo. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, go. Okay. Bigay ko na sa'yo. Ito na. Ito na.
Touch.
Go. Okay lang. Bitaw ko. Try ko. Sige, 2, 3, go. Bigay ko na sa'yo, Joy, ha? Ito na. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, bitaw. Boom. Bitaw ka agad. Pag ganyan, ako hahabol. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Kami mo. Joy, ha? Dito tayo sa gilid. Iba. 1, 2, 3. Bitaw.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hindi kasi bibitaw.
Yeah. Ito, Joy, ha? Ilan yun.
Maybe we should put the different ways with the ball first. Okay, so it's faster.
Okay. I mean, we can.
Okay.
Pagpas.
No.
Gawa to.
Okay, bitaw. Ano, may option pa tayo. Relax.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Joy, ha? 1, 2, 3, go.
Tapos mabuti yan.
Okay, good.
Relax.
Okay. Lagay mo sa, ready?
Ready.
Good.
Tell me when you're ready.
Ready?
Yeah. Alright, tell me when you want me to go.
Ready?
Go. It's stuck. Sige.
It's hulog lang. Sige. Okay lang. Sige. Ready ka natin. Kasi ikaw after. Yan. Bigay ko na sa iyo. Bigay mo. Yan. Sige.
Hindi na lang muna ako para kaya.
Everybody move. Okay. Then. Okay na? Ready? Ready. Tin, wag naman. Okay. Focus. Sige, okay lang.
Sige. Just keep going.
Go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Joy, ito na. Okay, ready.
Nagkita yata yung ginawa ko doon.
Tin, saan ka?
Kaya na bigyan ng idea.
Okay. Lagay mo.
Kasi ako doon.
Ready?
Sa map.
Sabihin mo ready.
Ready.
So,
Okay, go. Ready na.
Ready?
Oh.
Nice one. Jericho.
Ready?
Ready.
Touch my hand.
Wait.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay, nice. Vigo.
Touch.
Touch. Go, get ready, no? Tama. So, baba talaga ng stick, ha? 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Kung sino yung next up?
Ready.
Wala na
Touch my hand. Ready.
ikaw na lang?
Okay? Push na kaya?
Okay.
Go in front of, you should be in front of Jericho. Right after me.
1, 2, 3. Ako ulit. Okay, Joya. Tignan sa'yo.
Ako salo ni Joya. Ako na lang after kay Jericho.
Ikaw ang sasalo kay Joya? Kay Wendy.
Wag.
Sister na.
Dapat ikaw? Joya.
Sa gilid.
Kahit
Ako posisyon ng kamay ko.
Please, Anton, 1 minute na lang.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Chin style,
Okay, Tin.
chin style, para walang crop.
Ready, Tin?
Go. Ready?
Oh.
Ready?
Tell me when you want me to come in.
Ready?
Ako. Ako kuha.
Jericho. Isip ka rin.
One thing, last ka na
Ready?
ting. Liwindi.
Yeah.
1, 2,
Liwindi ka dapat ting. Liwindi ka ting.
Okay. You're still reading. Okay. Sige. 1. Pero lang. 1, 2, 3. Good.
Next.
Si Kigoy to
Ready? Ano mo dito? Ibitawan mo ha. Kalawin ko yan. Bitawan ko na.
Sige. I think it's good with catch.
Okay.
Good. Concentrate.
Nice.
Basta bitawan mo, wag ka. Okay naman yung pasa ko sa'yo.
Okay.
Pati ako napanik. Una na ako tawagin.
Focus na kayo
Susundin ko
pag
na lang.
matapos na tayo. Okay, kuya.
Mabilis lang ako magbasa sa iyo.
Sige, sige.
Kasi kulang
Go,
tayo.
time.
Wala.
10. Okay.
Jericho.
Lagay mo sa baba. Okay, ready?
Go.
Go.
Jericho.
Good.
Oh, di ba ito? Lagay. Jericho.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Bigyan. 1, 2, 1. Sige, press the first one. Go. 1, 2, 3. Sige, kaya na. Sige. Pata mo. Sige.
Okay, game na.
Sige.
Wait, touch him.
Acting me. Bitawan mo. Salain ko yan.
Okay, go. Force seconds.
Go.
Sige. Okay, kaya. Okay, Joya, ito na. Okay, Joya.
Relax.
Pasa, bilis. Pasa.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay lang. Sorry. Come on.
Ready.
Okay, ready. 10. Okay.
Tama yung sabi mo.
Ready?
Ganun.
Time's up.
Salin sa isa.
It's okay.
Lahat naman tayo gumawa.
Sige lang, okay lang. Yan talaga, mahirap siya.
Classmates,
Yeah.
kinalulungkot ko. Hindi kayo naging matagumpay sa task na ito. Munti ka na. Konti na lang.
Kuya, negotiate naman. 10 more
Kuya, hindi
minutes.
pa na-stick.
Oo, naka-kuya.
Naka-curve.
10 minutes.
Balik namin sa storage room.
Dahil hindi kayo naging matagumpay sa task na ito,
Kuya.
kailangan ninyong paghandaan ang huling pagkakataon para maipanalo ang weekly task.
Ay,
Ay po.
Sing, pasating.
Kung ano ang inyong hamon na haharapin, yan ay malalaman ninyo sa takdang panahon.
Okay po.
Okay, kuya.
Okay na chance.
Thanks, Kuya. Thank you so much.
Ayun,
Galing na, ang bilis yan. Oo, slowly. Bumalik na tayo.
We have one more chance.
It's gonna be harder.
We'll know. And your chance.
Soon game, weekly class.
Hindi, ito part din.
Part din.
Part siya.
Pero may isa pang
May-
guys, wanna still try na lang. Let's just try and do it. Just for the hell of it.
2 win and
Because we
3
can
losses.
do it. It's possible.
We can.
We can.
Okay lang, meron pa isa. Kung sino man ang
Try, boom.
Boom. Tawa ko.
Si Dennis. Boom.
Lagay sa
Hello, Dennis.
Isa lang eh. Quality boom. Okay, Jenny.
Pumasok ka na profession.
Alright, guys, let's practice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's practice.
Jericho, you wanna practice?
Yeah.
Can you meet, me and Jericho?
Sabay na lang kayo. Sabay, like, do it together. All the... I know,
okay.
we'll start first, me and Christian's voice and the confession. So that we don't waste time.
You wanna do
Like, doing individual.
Jeeve?
Sing, practice tayo.
Jeeve? You got the Jeeve, right? The Jive.
Yeah, we're just,
Jive, yeah.
we're
You know the steps, but...
no, but we don't have the time.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Learning experience with the stick.
Storage room?
Madali na ba sa storage room yan? Parang hindi pa naman sila.
Focus and relax. Everything! Practice po. Practice po tayo.
Okay, let's go.
Excuse me.
Give us number 5 pa rin, Carlo.
Sano?
Kumakain pa si Kuya Iting.
Ting! Honey, brothers!
I love that stick so much.
Okay. Ready? We'll do it in groups na lang para hindi sayang sa oras.
Do this, Johnny, do this.
Dito. Ah, sige, dito tayo, Ting. Go, play. Just play. Play.
Yeah. Honestly, that was probably the most in sync
That was the
I've
best.
seen you guys done. Well, just a pair.
Pareho na.
Oh.
Turtles.
Oo.
Like the
Basta,
most I've seen so far.
ang tono sa sayaw natin, excuse me
Kailangan ko ata yung...
ang tono sa sayaw natin, yung yan na kanta, 1, 2, 1, 2. Basta, kung magbase ka lang sa 1, 2, 1.
Oo. Tapos, sa background may ano siya eh. Boom, boom. Hayaan mo yung vocals.
Di ba, example, sa umpisa is parang tono, kuha, di ba? May part dyan na parang